Hi everybody, it's Ray with the IQ team, and today I'm going to do a little test, share with you guys some information on the alarm systems, the factory alarm systems that come on these Toyotas. These are both 23s, they're both smart keys, okay? Here are the smart keys, okay? What I've done, I've set the alarm with the smart key. The smart key is away from the car, so the car doesn't see it, okay? So both cars are locked. There's the override key, but what I'm going to actually do is pull the handle from the inside like somebody broke the window or whatever. Same thing with this one. Okay, so first of all, this car right here is an SR5. Okay, I mean, it's fully loaded. It has the containers in the back. It's a 4x4 trail, nice looking Taco. It's a V6. It's the Lunar Rock edition with the bronzy wheels, everything. I mean, it's loaded. I mean, here's is a TRD 4x4 off-road. Same basic things, but in gray. Okay, smoke gray. So, first of all, can anybody tell which one has factory alarm? Okay, let's go through this. I'm gonna try the back one first. Okay, so both alarms are set on these cars. Let's say it's a thief. So when a thief breaks the window, opens the door or whatever, you should have flashing lights and sirens. Here we go. I'm reaching in. Nothing. So this did not have relockers. The alarm did not go off. Okay, and once again, there's the key. If I lock it, which is locked, I'll come back to it, open the door, show you there's no alarm on this vehicle. So this is an SR5 23 Taco 4x4. This is a TRD 4x4 Taco. Same thing. They're both smart. I'm gonna reach in on this one, see what happens. Has relockers and the horn's going off, and your immobilizer light over there is solid, and the door is active, so I was able to turn off the alarm with the door. This is Ray with the IQ team, showing what's new with these 23 Tacos. I'm gonna go and make some more. Next one probably gonna be the RAV4s. Thank you.